got Boyz in the Hood on Blu-ray. Yeah, Ice Cube's in this movie, like the fighting movie. So yeah, so a front spine. It's the back.
I am missing valuable Minecraft time because
yeah, sweet little movie. It's not for kids. I mean, maybe. Hold on. Okay. Let's go.
Alright, hey, what's up, guys? So I was checking
Yep.
this
So
package that we got
here's a
to us today,
front
and this is what we got.
spine.
Yowies? Never heard of it. So it's supposed to be, what is it, like a spider or something?
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's weird. Okay, I did not order this.
Is
so
the Dixel work?
The louder you yell, the faster they go. Ah. And this house
that,
is always loud
like that,
too with the
so.
kids, so this has got me.
Yep.
No.
Here's a picture of it, so. Yeah. I don't know who that is, though. Oh, Ice Cube. Ice Cube. I'm so dumb, but, yeah.